My intuition is telling me.
Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out, hello? Something I never thought I would buy because I think the price is just ridiculous. You guys know I love my magnetic lashes, and the reason I've never bought any of the Glamnetic lashes before was because they're ridiculously expensive. I'm perfectly happy with my ones from Amazon. However, I saw that they came with a colored magnetic eyeliner. This was the only brand that I could find that has a colored magnetic eyeliner. $40 for the eyeliner, $30 for the lashes. So before you spend your money on it, I'm gonna let you know if this is worth it or not. So yeah, I'm gonna get right into putting a couple coats of this on, and then yeah, we'll see how it works. On very thick at all. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to do a few coats of this. It's not wanting to go on that side. I'm about to say fuck it because it's barely going on this side. I'm wondering if it's because I have a Stila glitter and glow eyeshadow on. Sometimes that can be hard to go over, but I mean, it shouldn't be this hard. I don't know. Here's what it looks like.
Your account security is important to us. We now offer Voice ID, a service which uses your voice to confirm your identity.
I don't know why it's going on this side a lot easier than this side. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so I'm reading it, and it says, for extra hold at inner and outer corners, you may use anchors. Comes pre-magnetized under corner of each lash. Detach to use. Hold anchor under your natural lash near lash magnet. It will snap into place.
To the next available representative and have your account information handy. For your convenience from .net and the MySpectrum app.
So these are the VIP lashes. Oh, I see the anchors. So you have to, they're just extra magnets out in the corner. Oh my god, I would have never found that if I don't even think you'll be able to see it. Well, let me take them off because I have a feeling I'm going to need them. I'm definitely going to need the anchors. Yeah, I can't get the inner corner one in, even though I kind of need it. These seem kind of small, like they don't cover my entire eye. Okay. I like these anchors, but I guarantee I'm gonna lose them in 4.3 seconds. They are so small. Let me try. I mean, this one's on. I don't know how secure it is, but I don't even, it's like so small I can't even hold it on my finger, but if I use that, it sticks to the eyelash applicator. Okay, and I got the outer corner one on. That looks better. I would really have to see how, like, do a wear test with these and see how long they last. But I don't, honestly, my magnetic lashes from Amazon work better than these. So, I'm wondering if this eyeliner will work with other lashes. Let me get my other magnetic lashes. Let's see here. I think they do. And they actually look better than the Glamnetic ones because they cover my eye more. Let me try it, guys. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add some of this magnetic liner from my City Goo magnetic eyelash kit and see if it works with the let this dry and then I'm going to apply another coat and we'll see if it works with the Glamnetic lashes. Okay, so I'm pretty sure the eyeliner is completely dried. Let me get this in. Let's see if this will work. I just put it on both sides. It surely does. So there you go. You do not have to spend the ridiculous amount they charge for their magnetic eyeliner if you want to use their lashes. But like I said, I think my Amazon lashes work just as good. I need that liner. Yeah, I definitely don't think it's worth $40. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful. And now I know why I never bought them, and they will be, that eyeliner is going to be returned for sure. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I will see you in my next video.